and prone, poor people's zone, but it's my home, all I have known, where I got grown, streets we would roam, out of the darkness, I came the farthest, among the hardest survival. Learn from these streets, it can be bleak, accept no defeat, surrender, retreat, so we fighting to eat and we when we'll be free, so we patiently wait for that fateful day. It's not far away, but for now